What is going on, everybody? How's it going? All right, so I did get the grill repaired. I'm still missing one of these studs. So this is a nut that on a stud. I actually glued that stud in because they keep falling out. So this one, let me show you guys. These are just the nuts, the little decorative acorn nuts that hold the grill to the truck. So you see how this one wiggles, but it doesn't want to come out. So I didn't glue any of the ones that didn't fall out. This one's missing. I can't find it. It's probably under the truck somewhere and I just can't see it. But I glued this one in. So now I just put some little gel glue right here just to hold that stud in so it doesn't fall. I also got this metal bracing bracket re-glued here on each side, and then these other 5 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's not under the screws, but it's actually like right here, in between. So it's curing right now. I haven't prepped this for paint because the main grill still needs to be cleaned. You can see all of this mud splatter from going off road. The front is cleaner though, so I can lift this up, kind of just stand it like that. So I did get the front pretty clean. I need to get rid of all the fingerprints and everything, and I still need to wash this down the best I can. You know, you can see the fingerprints and everything, but I did wipe it down. I do need to scuff everything and prime it. I do have a few things out here that I've already started priming. So I have the Toyota emblem, the V8 emblem as well. Those have been primed. This emblem, the Toyota emblem, actually has 2 coats of primer. The V8 emblem has 1 coat. And then I have the centerpiece right here. That's been primed as well. So this actually has about 2 coats. I need to do... I think, if I remember correctly, it's got a single coat, and then I did another wet, did a dry coat, and then I did a wet coat is what it was. So I need to do one more coat on this, but it looks pretty good. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna make this the satin green, the dark club green, and then these 2 emblems right here are going to be either cranberry, a gloss cranberry, or a satin claret red. So the cranberry, I actually painted this right here. So this is what the cranberry looks like right here. So this has been on here a very long time. I painted this probably when I had all of this apart on this excursion. Painted these probably, I don't know, 5-6 years ago, and it's holding up pretty well. So that's what the cranberry looks like. So I haven't decided yet on the emblem color, but whatever color ends up being, I think it'll look good. So just a quick little update for you guys. I did do a couple previous videos talking about what I was going to do with the grill. So this is the grill. This is the truck right here, which is salsa red. As you can see, it is the grill out of this truck, because the grill is Bluetoothed. But I need to clean this up. You know, see all this dirt right here, because I took the truck mudding. So need to clean all this up and then get it prepped. You can see how all the mud splatter. But just a quick update, guys. I will do another couple videos when I got these guys done. Hopefully the wind doesn't continue to pick up so I can at least spray the paint color. But just prepping, waiting for the grill to cure completely. I did get the brackets. Maybe show you guys that real quick. So I did get the brackets reinstalled on this centerpiece that were broken off. There they are, right there, there, right there, and right there. So the brackets have been put back on. They're holding up pretty well. The glue is extremely hard on those, so don't got to worry about that. And then the next thing I got to do is just clean this all up, get the mud off of it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime all of this gray. So the black centerpiece is going to be gray, outside's going to be gray. And then I'm going to tape off this section, and then just paint the center. The center is going to be this bronze right here. So anything that's black is going to be bronze, and anything that's chrome is going to be black. So I'm actually taking this black color, I'm going to flip it, and it's going to be out here. And then this is going to be bronze. And then, like I said, the centerpiece that goes right here that has already been primed, that piece is going to be this Hunt Club green. And then I haven't decided on these two colors yet. So I kind of like the look of the satin claret wine, but the gloss cranberry might go better with the emblem and the truck paint. So I don't know yet. I haven't decided. This cap is actually a lot darker in person than it is on camera. But just a quick video, guys. I will give you guys some updates as the progression happens. See you guys on the next one.